Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. It's Saturday and I thought I'd take some time to go over briefly my overall system. I wanted to discuss the type of trader I am, what indicators I use, what tools I use to go ahead and trade, how I place some trades, how I manage my trades, and finally, how do I track them and study from them and learn from them. It'll be quick, and I'll go in depth in another video at a later date. The first thing you must do is decide what kind of trader you are. Are you going to be a day trader, which has to stand in front of the computer all day? A swing trader, which gives you a little more time, is more adaptable to if you have a job? A buy and hold trader? A scalper, which looks for small changes in the market and uses that as an opportunity to make some money? Which a scalper, you must stay in front of the computer all day. Because of that, because I'm older and do not want to sit here in front of the computer every minute, I want to go out and enjoy myself. I decided to become a swing trader, which means you try to capture the major swings in the market. It takes you a little longer to make your money, but I believe that it's more safe. Most day traders I know and scalpers end up losing money. I'm on the Investopedia site, which a lot of beginners use to learn about the market. And basically, you see that this particular stock is in an uptrend here and then begins a downtrend here. So if you could start here and sell here, or sell here and buy back here, you'd make a lot of money. And that's what a swing trader tries to figure out the major turns of the market and capitalize on that change. I use two indicators. One is the RSI that helps me find these peaks and valleys. Another one is the MACD. So after I'm in a trade, the MACD allows me and gives me some indications of when to get back in and do some more buying. And I have other indicators. I'll cover them in just a minute. Looking at a chart, this is an RSI signal. This is the RSI indicator. When it goes above the 70, that's normally an indication that the market is starting to may reverse. And when it goes below the 30, that's another indication that the market will reverse upward. I always wait for a little when the RSI comes back below the 70 to go enter a trade. This would have been a winner, and I have an RSI signal today. The stock is PNC. It's a financial stock. Here's another one. There was a short here. That would have been a winner. Short, cover, that's a winner. Buy here, and still going on. Now today, it looks like the RSI is going to cross over to 70. But our long-term trend indicator, the zigzag, is still showing that it's basically an upward trend. So do you get out or stay in? The other indicator I use is the MACD, and it's showing that momentum is dying. No, I think I'll get out. Once I have it, my strategy, and I'm using the RSI strategy and the MACD strategy, I backtest it. I backtested this from January till today against my basket of stocks, and it says I would have made $1,700 from January on 90 trades. The average profit per trade is $18 or $19. About a 69% win rate. And there's the losers. Won $3,100 and lost $14. I ran this back test with a profit target of 5% and a loss at 2%. You can switch these around. And then if neither one of these is hit, after 18 days, I stop the trade. And that's this, N bar stop. The net profit is 16% for 2 months. You multiply that by 6 and you get your annual rate. And that's pretty darn good on a $10,000 investment. Boy, if you could achieve that. So I determined that my RSI strategy is successful. I could do the same thing for the MACD strategy, but I'm going to do that at a later time. So, are there any trades for today or tomorrow? I'm add an artificial bar for tomorrow so I can see tomorrow's picks. And it says I should open short MGM tomorrow, short. And there it is. Short for tomorrow. The overall trend is down. The RSI was up above and it has went down. There was a green bar there on Friday. Well, MGM, Carnival Cruise Lines, the airlines have all been going up lately, and I don't understand why. Is the COVID over? So I'm skeptical. The momentum is going down. This is the TTM indicator. I use that for momentum. I also use the MACD for momentum. Momentum seems to be is down, and there's a crossover for MACD down. I'd be inclined to take this down. I don't think there's any reason for MGM to go up. Travel and COVID is not over, so I think it's a valid signal. This tool is OmniBroker, and the nice thing about OmniBroker is that you can test a basket full of stocks. And this is my basket full of stocks that testing a portfolio of stocks is very valuable, and other tools only allow you to back test against one indicator. The problem with the OmniBroker is that you have to maintain minute, hours, seconds data and import it in, or buy another service that provides the data to you. My broker allows me to import up to 100 different stocks at a time into OmniBroker, but my basket full of stocks is 188, so it's a problem. I don't want to maintain the database anyway. So the other tool I use is TradingView. TradingView maintains its own database, which is very convenient. It allows me to set alarms up to 10 with a paid subscription, 1 alert with a free subscription. This is free. And a strategy tester, back tester, but it only allows you to do it against one stock, not a basket full of stocks. And it has a very good screener, comparable to FinViz. Very good. And we're predicting that it should go down. RSI cross, MACD, momentum starting to die. Overall trends up, though. This tool allows me each morning to get accurate reads on the Dow, S&P 500, my watch list, all without maintaining the data. I can look. It's all done for me, and I get different cuts. This is the 15-minute downward trend. There's a free version of TradingView up to 3 indicators, or you can pay $9, about $90 a year, and get up to 5 indicators, 10 alerts. It's well worth the price. So the two tools I use are OmniBroker to give me some singles, daily singles. I don't use it for day trading. And TradingView, which gives me a better snapshot and can be used for day trading. The nice thing is that TradingView has alerts that are on 24 hours a day. Easy programmable alerts that are on 24 hours a day. Very nice. The broker I use is a discount broker called Interactive Brokers. It can integrate with OmniBroker, and I can do automatic trading with OmniBroker and Interactive Broker together, but I choose not to. I don't need to for swing trading. This is the desktop version, and you can input your stocks and make some trades right from the screen. The desktop version is very, very complex. It has a lot of screens, a lot of capability. Allows you to do options trading. Very, very robust system. And when you have a robust system, you can make some mistakes. It's not easy like Robinhood or Webull. So this is what I would use to place my short trade with MGM on Monday. Interactive Broker also has a very, very nice mobile app, which I use primarily to enter in stock trades and my option trades. This is very comparable to any other mobile app by any other stockbrokers. Very easy to use. The desktop is harder, and the mobile app is easy. And the advantage of Interactive Broker is that it's a discount broker and can be used worldwide when you travel. So each night I run a routine to get the buy and short signals and other information from my OmniBroker routine. Then I select them and copy it and transfer this information into a spreadsheet. It's a Google Sheets. And these are all the potential trades that I need to look at for tomorrow. And go ahead and look at them. And I often do this. These are the short plays, and there it is. Then I can go ahead and look to see what the MACD, the RSI, the zigzag, and whether the momentum is coming down. So I can pick tomorrow's picks from OmniBroker, but I also use the spreadsheet to track and analyze the trades. I put in all the new trades in a master spreadsheet. These three are for Monday. These were the day's trades, and they're open. I also can look at another sheet, which is a filter, the open trades. And of the open trades, I'm profitable. A 76% win rate, that's good. The closed trades for this past week was $250. Win rate of 5%, 5% for the week. Win rate is 66 with 10 winners and 5 losers, 15 trades altogether. And there were some little issues. I was in and out of one stock in a minute because I set my stops too short right here. The current quarter. This is all driven from the tracker software, tracker sheet, where all the trades are. It's filtered. And for the quarter, we have a 25% rate for the quarter. As you multiply that times 4, you get a 90 or 100% annual. That's pretty good. And then the nice thing about it is I have this whether to take action. And that means the trend has reversed. And you may want to look at it. I use the open trades for that. Most of them are good. Neo is going to come back, I think. And the Q's on Monday, after the stimulus package gets approved, it's going to come back. So in conclusion, I'm a swing trader. I use the RSI signal as my strategy, along with the MACD. I back test it using a tool called the OmniBroker. I execute trades through Interactive Broker. I keep track of my trades through a tool called TradingView. I also track my trades and manage my trades using a spreadsheet, a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Basically, that's all of the system. I'll explain each of these aspects a little more detail, but I wanted to give you an overview. And I want to prepare this overview, and I will do this overview again in another month and smooth things out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And wait about a month, and I'll do another interview with more detail and a little smoother.